So yes, my beautiful peeps, wagwan. There, you know, I hope everybody have a nice, wonderful Friday evening. So yeah, you know, we're there in our farm. There in our farm. So yes, peeps, you know, we're there in our farm. Sean there, so say I go plant some cabbage seed. Yeah man, so I prepare the land to plant. I must sow some cabbage seed.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, say vegetable is a must, eh? Yeah, man.
Yeah. Things for eating, you know, we can't source some banana tree. Yeah. We have some vegetable on the side, you know?
True, man.
So we there go and make one little bit.
True.
Sow some seed.
So, you know, peeps in our farm, can get a little tour of the farm, you know.
You see them. The own never see cabbage seed. So some okra seed on there. Soon plant them too.
Them the okra seed.
And then my sweet pepper.
When I see them good.
Okra seed. Round.
That time, huh?
Let me show you. This look like. That is okra.
Yeah, man, that is okra seed, guys. See?
And you can sow it, you know, if I show them, I grow like so.
So, when
Yeah,
you
we
know,
grow
show them.
here. But you don't really want.
And why other seed them when you have in a show?
Yeah, some other seed that way pop drop.
You lost.
Oh, seed. It's like cabbage.
Oh, then fine now. Then fine you.
Yeah, fine. I got tramp on my bed when I just make.
Oh, Lord. Oh, shit. So, guys, I see me a trampling man bed where I make.
Yeah. Yeah, then fine.
So that is cabbage seed, right?
Yeah. Cabbage seed. So we just right here.
So you see you sprinkle that already, you know, so basically you just sprinkle them, you know. You know.
The land could have prepared a little better still, but the land is fertile, you know, you don't have to prepare a nice way for it not to grow. Everything I put a ground grow.
Yeah, man.
I'm sure now update when them start grow.
Yeah, you know, we have to do that.
Just that you don't want to just water them after.
And then all I see them eventually start grow.
Yeah, but I could have used some hands for around it still, but...
You can't do it one next time though.
Yeah, I don't really got hands for that, so I'm not worried about it.
So,
Just I work it and hold it for ants in the ground, you know? Just actually so you do it and make sure you water it 2 times a day. Keep the plate moist. And then it should grow.
I'm furious. Mm. So guys, me will give you a little tour in the farm now, right? So you know, want to clean up, but we can still give a little tour. So here we have that is what, a coconut tree? Yeah. Or you call it jelly. So, exactly. So yes guys, see one more coconut tree we have over there. So now we have plantain tree, banana tree, and this one is an avocado. This is an avocado tree. We saw grow up and you know, want to clean up. Farm want to clean up guys, but anyway we are cleaning up still. So yeah man, that's an avocado tree. And this is a pimento tree. You know, I have no pimento on it right now, but yeah, this is a pimento tree. This is what a pimento tree look like. You know, pimento you can use it make black pepper. That's what they use to make black pepper. Yeah man, pimento tree. And they also use to cook. These are very good firewood. So guys, Sean tell me say I know pimento they use to make the black pepper. Me always think a pimento, but him tell me say I know pimento. So you know, yeah, my bad. So yeah, them here are other plantain tree, banana tree. Actually see one plantain there on that tree there. You know it young still, so you know you're gonna make it fit. Yeah. There is it, guys.